Hey guys, so it's K3 here. I'm gonna do an updated video on how to make your boobs bigger because I did one a few years ago and it did so well. So many of you liked it. I was like, you know what? I can't just keep sending this old video to my friends. Like, I need to do an updated one because I don't even look like that anymore. I'm just like, it just like looks so weird. I'll link it below if you want to see it. But anyway, I have some tips for you. I have a bra, I have some contour going on. So I'm going to show you how to make your boobs look way better and bigger in like 5 minutes. You don't need a boob surgery, you know. You can go out and look good. So if you have like a hot date, subscribe to my channel down below. Add me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that. Let's be friends and let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I ordered a couple of push-up bras over here. These are from Bra. I got this black one right here, and I also got a nude one, so this will be good for like white dresses, but we're gonna work with this one today because I have a black shirt. Okay, so first of all, it has padding inside and it also has these crisscross ties right there, so you can like take these off and make them as close as you want. So basically you can take this out and put them into one of these little pouches here and make it as close as you want, so you can make the strings as tight as you want. So basically it's just gonna like push them together, and then of course the back has 3 different like steps for you to make it as tight as you want. Alright, so I just put this bra on. I haven't done any contouring or anything else. This is just the bra, as you can see. Like, literally that's all I did. Like, it already looks way better. And also what I like with the bra is that you can get the one with no straps and you can have the push-up with like a strapless dress, you know what I mean, and not have like the straps showing but still have like the cleavage support. So it's awesome. So basically, okay, now that the first step is done, what you want to do now is you want to contour. So we're gonna have a cream contour and also a powder contour. So there's gonna be 2 sides. So I'm just going to take the darker cream contour right now, and you just want to kind of draw like a bird on your chest, like wherever your boobs end. You just want to do that, and then you want to take a different brush and blend it all out, which I will link all of the stuff for you guys below. I will link the bra, I will link the products that I'm using, everything, but you want to blend it out to the point where it looks natural and not crazy looking, you know what I mean? Okay, and then you want to go in with a contour that's a powder. Okay, so take a darker shade, like a little bit darker than your skin, so not too much darker, and kind of contour. So basically you're basically trying to create like a shade, you know, like a shadow, like if there was a shadow right there, so it looks natural. And you can also do the same thing with like your collarbones, same thing with like your cheekbones. It's all the same thing, like it's all contouring. You're just trying to create a shadow so it looks natural. Just don't overdo it, you know what I mean, because then it's just gonna look whack. And then you want to take a highlight. I will link all of these for you guys down below in the info box, so just make sure to check it out. You take a highlight and you like highlight your boobs. So it's gonna highlight that part. You can also highlight your like your collarbones, your cheekbones, your nose, whatever. If you want to watch my makeup tutorials for like an in-depth sort of like glam makeup, you can, of course. So subscribe to my channel. But basically that's what I would do for like the extra kind of like glam look. And you can rock this with like a shirt. Like, see, I have a shirt on. I could rock this with like some shorts and Vans, but I could also do this look with like a dress, you know what I mean? So it goes for like any kind of look, but the point is you can make yourself look super glam. You can make your boobs look extra huge. Like, I'm a 34B, but I can make like for sure look like a D. If I didn't rock this bra, if I had like an extra push-up bra, like I can make it look like a freaking F if I wanted to, you know what I mean? I don't want to make it look too crazy, you know, I want to make it look like realistic. So you want to look proportionate to your body. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. It's helpful to you, and all of the links will be linked down below in the info box. This video, just open it up. All of this stuff will be in there, the bra, products, everything I use. If you're interested, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of that. I will link it all down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you.